very proud of the fact that we've been able to triple our market cap since we came public in 2013. We've also been able to slightly or moderately outperform the REIT index in those 10 years on a total return basis. So we're very proud of that. But I think most importantly is that we've proven that a non-traditional REIT model can work in the public markets.
Joining me today is Lou Haddad, President and CEO of Armada Hoffler Properties. So Armada Hoffler's board recently raised the dividend above pre-pandemic levels. What factors led to that decision?
The dividend raise was simply bringing it back into line with our stated policy in that we want to distribute to our shareholders about 80% of our AFFO, our free cash flow, if you will. And so this year was a modest increase because we have a modest increase in earnings and in NOI. But our investors have come to depend on us to stick to that policy. And so we're happy to continue raising the dividend. And we finally made it past pre-pandemic levels.
And in May, Armada Hoffler completed the acquisition of the Interlock in Atlanta's West Midtown. What does this asset add to the portfolio?
Sarah, it's really important on several different levels for us. And it's something we targeted for actually the last couple of years, hoping that we could have an opportunity to purchase that asset. That, as you know, we helped develop it and we built it as a construction company as well. So we're very familiar with the asset. But on an asset level, it checks all the boxes for us. It's mixed use, it's infill in a very dynamic and growing market with a tremendous amount of upside due to a little bit of vacancy that's still in the property as well as the ramping of the existing tenants. So on that level, it hits everything for our portfolio to be another trophy asset in the portfolio. On a more important level, perhaps, it also gives us critical mass in that Atlanta market. So now, along with our other assets that are in satellite areas of that market, we have nearly $500 million worth of real estate in Atlanta, effectively making it the third leg of the stool, along with the concentration we have at the harbor in Baltimore, as well as the Virginia Beach Town Center.
Last month marked the 10th anniversary of Armada Hoffler's IPO. What are some of the things you're most proud of looking back at that decade?
It certainly was a time for reflection when we hit that 10-year mark and reflecting back on where we started and where we've come so far. On a more pedestrian level, we're very proud of the fact that we've been able to triple our market cap since we came public in 2013. We've also been able to slightly or moderately outperform the REIT index in those 10 years on a total return basis. So we're very proud of that. But I think most importantly is that we've proven that a non-traditional REIT model can work in the public markets. As you know, we're vertically integrated. We also span several asset classes, and I think we're the only REIT in the country with a substantial third-party construction arm as well. And it's great to see that the public markets have accepted that and really have us poised for additional growth in the next decade.